Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Rajesh Ramani here. And this video I'm going to share you about the strategy called Iron Butterfly. So before getting into the strategy, so happy new year to the all subscribers and the viewers. And the disclaimer is this video is completely for an educational purpose. I am not an SEBI registered and please do your own analysis before taking the trade. I am not responsible for any of your trading decisions. And let's get into the topic. The strategy, as I mentioned, it is called as Iron Butterfly. So what we need to take is this is the hedging position with the short straddle that has already been shared in the channel. So we have a few advantages compared with the short straddle. I will explain those in the further video. Please do watch until the end of this video to understand the complete advantage of Iron Butterfly compared with short straddle. So this is the entry rule and exit rule, and the position we need to take at 9:15. And what we need to do is at 9:15, whatever the ATM is, we need to sell the ATM of CE and PE. I just have the example on the left corner, so we can see it consider market is trading at 30,000, and you need to sell 30,000 CE and PE, and we need to buy. So this is just for an hedging position. So we need to hedge with 700 points away OTM. We need to buy. So we need to buy 730,700 CE. That is ATM of CE plus 700, and 29,300 PE we need to buy. So that is 30,000 PE minus 700. So this is the strategy. This is a quick example how you need to take a position. So once you are in the position, so you need to check the overall MTM loss. If it reaches 3000, we can exit all the position. And in case if you are seeing a target of 5000, that is overall target of 5000, you can exit the position. So this is the stop loss and target. We don't have any specific stop loss or target to an each leg or something. So we only have an overall strategy, stop loss and target, and we need to exit if it doesn't met any either two condition, that is stop loss and target. We need to exit at 325. So the next thing is I have back tested this in the stock mark. So if you need to know how you need to back test in the stock mark tool, you can refer my previous video. I will have that in the description as well. So I have already back tested short straddle strategy, so you can follow the same. And the previous one, I forgot one thing. So see, I mentioned it as MTM stop loss of 3000 and a target of 5000. So it could be difficult for anyone. So there is no option to place any stop loss or target in the broker terminal to consider the position stop loss, right? So if it is an individual stop loss, it is easy for us to keep it or place the stop loss. As this is an MTM stop loss, so we will not be able to do it manually, because we need to have in front of system for the entire day. So we have some automation tool for that. I will explain you that in the later part of the video, so stay until the end of this video for that. So let's get into the back-tested results here. And this back-tested results is from 2018 to 21 December. That is still yesterday, 31st December. I have back-tested it, and you could see the improvement of the strategy. Okay, the main reason why I took this results and I'm sharing this strategy for you people is, see, it works on 2022. So you could see the 2022 market has crashed, and we are still in the profit, and we have seen the volatile market in 2021. So I have been in these 2 years in the market, so I know what went bad on these 2 years. And I hope 2018 and 19 could be the very normal market, and it doesn't give you much profit. I think this is new normal, like we will be having a volatile market henceforth, as market investments are getting increased day by day, and most of the traders are creating more number of accounts, and because of all those things, I think I'm expecting a volatility on the further years. So this result show me a positive sign of, okay, this strategy is able to generate a better returns and year by year. And this results is completely based on the capital of 2 lakh. Sorry, yeah, it's completely of capital of 2 lakh. uh, you can trade this strategy with just a capital of 60,000, but I would request all you to calculate the return of investment based on 2 lakh, because those buying options are just an hedging position, so it is kind of we are doing only straddle. So normal straddle will require 2 lakh. So for the hedging position, why we add is I will explain you why we are actually adding that hedging position, because it is not completely for improving the straddle result. It is completely to make our strategy safer. I will explain you that in the later part. So this is the view how you need to look into this. So don't calculate the capital on the 60,000, because if you calculate based on the 60,000, damn sure you will have a better see. It is more than 100%. It is more than 100 percentage on 2020, and so even 2021. So don't look into that point of view. And yeah, next thing is this is a winning percentage, like 57 percentage of trades are winning at 2018, and 64 and 60 and 66. So these are like a number of days it didn't it actually gave profit. It's not like it gave 5,000 entire profit, but it's just an positive numbers we would have got. And other percentages like 60 on positive, and 20-40 percentage of negative results. So that is on 2020. So this is all about the winning ratio, or winning percentage of these years. And next is why we consider, like why I consider the strategy. So first thing is margin benefit. As I said, if you have enough capital, consider for one lot, I would consider you should have 2 lakhs capital, and you should take only one lot out of it, because even though if you have 2 lakh, don't take you could able to take three lots of three lots of these positions, right? So but I won't recommend, just do one lot. It will consume 60,000. Just keep them enough, like balance margin money in your account, okay? So you will get a margin benefit. That is one. And yeah, so for the people who don't have 2 lakh, they can make use of this strategy. So with just 60,000, they can trade, but make sure you calculate the return of percentage based on your capital of 2 lakh. So next is this is very safe strategy. Safe, what I mean is, see, you don't need to, no need to sit in front of system. Okay, you can just place the positions on 9:15, and you can watch the movies or go any outing or whatever, you can do it. The reason is you have as long as hedge position, nothing to worry, right? So that's much of safe, because on the both the legs we are hedging the buying position. So if market goes wrong, so it's very safer. So this is because we don't have the positional stop loss. Like we don't have a stop loss based on the legs, right? So we have complete MTM stop loss. So we need to have hedging position on the both side. That is very safe. And like third point is no worries about technical glitch. So people who was in the market in 2020, so I think we got a technical glitch. People would have know already. So market was completely stuck in the morning, and it opened at afternoon, like in the evening, late evening. And there are some days where market stopped, and like after opening the entire market got reversed against the position. So it those kind of scenarios you don't want to care, because as long as we have aging position, right? So you will not be in the position of unlimited loss. I don't say you will not have loss, but you will not have an unlimited loss, whereas in the short straddle there is an unlimited loss. Even though you are in the position of both CE and PE, your hedging, like opposite leg, will not safeguard you for particular. It can safeguard you till few points, okay? It market moves against you very rapidly, so you can, like, positions will not save you, and it will end up with uh, more losses. And also in the short straddle, which I have already shared, it has just 25 percentage of stop loss on one leg, and when it hit the stop loss, other leg is completely a naked position, and that is more dangerous if you are not in front of system. And in the cases of technical glitches, it can wipe out your margin. So that's all about the reason about the strategy, and I got to know a few questions like people used to ask whether stock market results are accurate, is the data is accurate, what we can consider or not. So I would say I cannot say it is very accurate because it's based on the closing price what they are considering when we are backtesting it, but it is matching with almost matching with the live trades. So that is what my experience is, because see, you can maintain a trade journal. I would recommend you to maintain a trade journal. I will show you the one which I was having it. So let me share you that. So if you see, so this is actually a strategies complete monthly wise split up. Still, if you need to know, you can take a screenshot of it. And out of 12 months on 2020, sorry, this is 2021. 2021, we got only 2 months of net loss, and it is 1 month in 2020, and in 2019 we have 2 months and 3 months in 2018. Okay, so trade journal, so which I mentioned, right? So you could mention the date, instrument, that is ERP, entry, stop loss. Here we don't have stop loss. We can just ignore this, the center column. This I maintained for straddle. So here net profit is considering with brokerages, and gross profit is without brokerage, and also stock market report. So each and every day you take a live trade, you can test the stock market report, compare it, and if you are seeing a wide, like a very huge difference between the stock market report and your trade, just you can stop it. So okay, no one is asking you to trust it, because as long as the data what we are getting, it might be correct or it might be wrong, so we are not sure, right? So to give you some confident level, you can just have this kind of trading journal, so can you could know whether the data is correct or not. So this is all about the stock market report. And yeah, finally, I was saying you right, it is an positional, like the MTM stop loss and target is based on full entire position. So there is a tool called Tradetron. So this is completely a UI based tool where you can create your own strategies and you can automate it. So you no need to worry about it. Is a kind of algo trading. So but this is where you don't need to have a coding knowledge. There are tutorials available in the YouTube, in the Tradetron channel itself. You can watch those and you can create your own strategies. And I will give you the referral link in the description. If you are going to sign up for this, kindly click on that link and you can sign up. And one disclaimer is I am not referring like this tool, like I'm not promoting this tool. So this is the only tool I got to know for the people who can make use of this for automating their trades, who doesn't have the coding knowledge, coding experience. So but make sure like it might also go down at some time. Okay, so even there are many famous brokers who were into the trouble when the users are getting added. So I'm sure you might also face some technical issue at rare scenario, but just wanted to give an heads up on that. So you can sign up into this Tradetron by clicking on the referral link which I have provided in the description. Okay, and thanks for watching. And this is all about strategy. I don't have anything else. And if you need to contact, like you, if you want to create the strategy in the Tradetron, you can contact me in the Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel link. You can join the channel and also you can contact me. Do subscribe, share with your friends, and like the video. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you in the next strategy. Thank you, everyone. Bye.